Today we're going to be talking about how to create a seamless image for your Instagram. That's that photo that flows continuously when you swipe to the left. I've been posting such photos and people DM me asking me how they too can get on board. Well, in this video, I'll be revealing one of my secrets and show you precisely how you too can kill your Instagram game. Game. First things first. In Photoshop, determine what aspect ratio you want this post to be and how many photos you want to divide your original image into. I've seen as many as 4 batches of photos, but to keep it simple, I'll divide this photo by half. Since the image size ratio for Instagram is typically 4:5, simply multiply this aspect ratio by 2/1, which will give you the final result of 8/5. Oh yeah, we're dealing with one of those improper fractions. Next, you need to crop it and enter 8:5 and click OK. Now go to View, click on New Guide Layout. Side note, confirm that you only have columns checked and then enter however many number of photos you've divided by. In my case, I have 2. Next, you want to cross-check to make sure that width and gutter are blanked out. Now you want to click on the Slice tool and then select the slices from Guides. Let's finally make sure that the photos are resized so that each photo is exactly 1080 pixels in width. 2 photos by 1080 pixels is 2160 pixels. Well, hey, I like to go big on quality, so in this case, I'm going to multiply this by 2 and finally get the result of 4320 pixels. Don't worry, the aspect ratio is not compromised. Now next, go to Image, Image Size, enter 4320, but 2160 is just fine. Now to save this as a JPEG, I'll go to File Export, Save for Web. Let's make this file a JPEG and leave the quality at 100, then hit Save. Ensure that the All Slices option is selected here, where it says Slice. Now choose your file location where you want the file to be saved. Now on Instagram, select the first photo and then touch on the 2 arrows to make the photo expand and fit to full size. Next, click on the multi-post option. Next, you want to select your second photo, pinch it to make sure that it fits the screen. Hit Next, and hit Next again. Lastly, enter your caption or description and tags. Also, don't forget to tag me on your photos so that I can check them out. Use the hashtag Fortraiture Seamless. Hit the like button if you like the video, smash that subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.